Jesse. Let us begin with agentic AI.
Sure, Harry.
What is agentic AI?
Agentic AI refers to systems that can make autonomous decisions and execute tasks without human intervention, often using machine learning and decision making algorithms.
Key concepts here are agentic AI, autonomy in AI. Define the term and explain its role in technology today. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing agentic AI with regular AI systems that require human supervision. What are the main applications of agentic AI?
Agentic AI is used in various applications such as automated trading systems, robotics, and customer service chatbots, where decision making without human oversight is crucial.
Key concepts here are applications of agentic AI, automated decision making. Mention key areas and give examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are omitting ethical considerations in deployment. What ethical considerations are associated with agentic AI?
Ethical considerations include accountability for decisions made, potential biases in algorithms, and the implications of removal of human oversight in critical situations.
Key concepts here are ethics in AI, accountability. Discuss how ethics impact AI development and use. Common mistakes candidates make here are failure to acknowledge biases in AI systems. What challenges do developers face with agentic AI?
Developers face challenges such as ensuring robustness against unexpected scenarios, addressing ethical implications, and fine tuning algorithms for accuracy.
Key concepts here are development challenges, robustness in AI, highlight specific technical and ethical challenges. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking the importance of testing. Can you implement a simple agentic AI decision maker?
Certainly, I'll use a simple threshold-based decision model to simulate this. The function will assess a numerical input against a predefined threshold.
Key concepts here are decision making in AI threshold models. Explain your approach clearly. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring edge cases like input ranges. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more interview content. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.